morning, guys. All right, so out here in Arizona, finally got some sun. Definitely too hot for this sweatshirt, but I didn't realize that I'm gonna be hitting the Grand Canyon today. So definitely going there, but I gotta get an oil change first. So hopefully it doesn't take like 2 hours like the last one did. Did you guys do oil changes?
No, it's closed.
Closed? All right, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. How you doing today? Good. I was just wondering if you knew where there was somewhere to get an oil change around here. Looks like we're not doing the oil change today. I'm at 3,000 miles though, and I'm about to be heading into some big drives soon, so have to get it done. Tomorrow's Sunday, so a lot of the shops will be closed. If I don't get it today, has to be Monday. It's pretty crazy. It's the first time I've ever seen wild dogs anywhere. I've heard about them in Europe, but never seen them in the US. This guy's just staring at me right now. He's just sitting there. Saying about the Grand Canyon?
About the Grand Canyon? 2 people fell off already.
This, like, recently?
No, not recently. Like, the recent one happened like about a month ago.
That's pretty recent.
Yeah, I would say. I don't think that's recent, but
okay.
It was a lot last year.
Really?
Yeah, it was about like 4.
Do you know how?
I'm not too sure. Maybe the wind gust, like you're standing on the edge and the wind just like pushes you. Because there's like really strong wind when you go to the edge.
Thank you, man. Really appreciate it. Oh. Nice. All right, the view of that park was sick. Now I'm gonna head to the Grand Canyon though. I'm just itching to go there. These views are crazy. It's like the same thing that happened to me on the Pacific Coast Highway road trip. It's like you just want to pull over every second and look. Is that loud? Sorry, guys. Unbelievable. Trying to take pictures or video of that place, just, you can't do it justice. It's like the weather held up. Now I'm heading to Page Skatepark. It's like, I think it's about 2 hours from here. Alright guys, I'm gonna try a weird one I've never seen before. I'm gonna go for a nollie big flip, frontside 5-0. See if we can make it work. So I'm noticing when I put my foot higher on the board, it makes the flip almost like dip down more like a forward flip. I don't know, for some reason on transition, it just helps the rotation.
That was very impressive.
All right, that's it for Arizona. This place is crazy. It's like not just the Grand Canyon. So everywhere you drive in this state has an unbelievable view. It's like I was able to get that nollie big flip to frontside 5-0. Also, if the upload times have been a little bit weird for everyone, it's because they've been weird for me too. And like today I was bouncing back and forth between time zones. So right now I'm heading to Utah. The drive isn't too bad. I think it's only like 2 hours or something. So that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.